Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Let us continue the problems of geometry. In the previous class we have seen some problems already. So let us continue. Look at this question. Find the length and perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle whose area equal to 120 square cm and breadth. What is the breadth? 8 cm. Okay. So regarding rectangle, this problem belongs to rectangle, right? Draw the rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. So this is A, B, C, D is a rectangle. We are given breadth here. First you write given data. What is given here? Area of rectangle is given. You remember area of rectangle formula, length into breadth, and breadth is also given. How much breadth? 8 cm. Breadth is what? Here 8 cm. This is also breadth. Length we should find, and diagonal also we should find. What is the length of diagonal? Length and perimeter they asked, sorry, not diagonal. So later we will see. If you want to find diagonal, length of diagonal also we can find L square plus B square. Root of L square plus B square. It is not asked here, just I am telling you. So I want to find here length. Length L equal to question mark. We have, what is the area of rectangle formula? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, square units. What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. What is area here given in the problem? 120 is equal to length into breadth is how much? 8. So you can find easily length from here. 120. This multiplication 8, bring this side, divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. So 15 cm. So therefore what is the length here? Length of rectangle L is equal to 15 cm. Now also perimeter we should find. Now perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula you remember, 2 of L plus B units. Perimeter means what should you do? 2 lengths, 2 breadths must be added. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one. Perimeter is nothing but length of the diagram. So 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length 15, breadth 8. 15 plus 8 how much? 23. 23 2s 46. So what is the perimeter here? Answer is 46 cm. Understand? So about rectangle, this is the concept. Clear? See the second question. The perimeter of a rectangle is the perimeter of a rectangle is 46 meters and its length is 15 meters. Its length is 15 meters. Find its First one breadth, second one area, third one diagonal. Now it is asked here diagonal. What is the length of diagonal of a rectangle? I told you just now, root of L square plus B square. So what is given here? You write first. What is given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter of a rectangle. How much? 46 meters. But we know the formula of perimeter of rectangle, right? Length is also given. Length L equal to how much? 15 meters. I will find out breadth. First breadth we should find. Okay? We have perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length plus breadth units. So draw the rectangle here. A, B, C, D rectangle. Okay. So this is length, breadth. Diagonal is this square root of L square plus B square. Okay. Now what is perimeter here? 46 equal to 2 times. What is the length here? 15 plus breadth I don't know. First 2 shift this side. So 46 multiplication 2 if you bring this side by 2 equal to 15 plus B. 2 2s, 2 3s. So breadth equal to 23 minus 15 plus 15 if you transpose minus 15. So breadth value 8. 23 minus 15 is how much? 8 meters. So breadth is how much? Breadth of rectangle how much? 88 meters. Next what is asked? Second question, area. Area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? Right, length into breadth, square units. Always area should be in square units, okay? So length means how much we got here? Length is given in the problem 15 into breadth I got 8. So 8 5s are 40. 120 square meters. You can write square meters or meter square, no problem. Third question, diagonal. Diagonal of rectangle equal to, what is the formula I told you? Square root of L square plus B square units. So square root of L square means 15 square plus breadth square means 8 square. 225, 15 15s. Everybody should learn the perfect squares all up to 20. 225 plus 64. How much? 289. Square root is how much? 17. So what is the length of diagonal here? 17 meters. Next question please. Third question. The diagonal of a rectangle is, now diagonal is given. The diagonal of a rectangle is 34 cm. If its breadth is 16 cm, find its length and area. second area. Find its length and area. Okay. What is given here? Diagonal of rectangle is given. Diagonal of a rectangle is given. 34 cm. Breadth is also given. What is the breadth? B equal to 16 cm. So we should find the length, right? Length L equal to question mark. We have, what is the length of diagonal formula? The length of diagonal of a rectangle is equal to square root of L square plus B square units. You remember formula? Diagonal of rectangle formula square root of L square plus B square. So therefore L square plus B square equal to what is given here? 34. Root of L I do not know plus B value is already given 16 square equal to 34. So L square plus 16 16s are 256 under root equal to 34. So to remove this we have to take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. To remove the square root, what should you do? Squaring on both sides. Then square root will be cancelled. 34 34s are 34 into 34. How much? 3 3 is 9. 12 plus 12, 24, 16. 6, 5, 11. 11, 56. 11, 56. So L square equal to 1156 plus 256 is send that side. Minus 256. L square equal to 0, 0, 9. So L equal to square, if it goes that side, square root. 900 square root is what? 30 cm. So what did I get length here? Length L equal to how much? 30 cm. One more, what should you find? Area. Second question. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, square units. So length 30 into breadth, already in the given problem 16. 3s are 48 square centimeters. Therefore area of rectangle is equal to 480 square centimeters. So learn the formulas perfectly, then only you can do the problems. Okay? We will continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.